Hi everybody. Today I'm going to do a unboxing or whatever, you know, opening of my Spoonflower fabric order. A lot of you know I make these zipper pouches out of my artwork. So they start out as a painting obviously, and then I get them printed on fabric and then I paint them, then I sew them. So here comes my little Lori. I'm sure she'll come to visit. So this is what it looks like before they're actually made. So I got several yards in here. Should have had this pre-opened. Okay. So it always comes with a cute, you know, their little catalog. And it's wrapped up very nicely here. The little card. I always get the Kona cotton blend. They have lots of different, like so many different fabric options, but whenever I make my pouches, I iron it on fusible interfacing to make it more stiff. So I just get a regular Kona cotton. So here's what it looks like before I actually do anything with it. The way it works is, I'm not sure the amount of inches, but from here to here is one file that I upload, and then it repeats. So I kind of have to plan ahead. Like these small ones, I gotta have two sides because the repeat kind of is cut off here. But that's okay because I have that's how many I'm gonna get out of this yard for the small ones, and then top ones I always get double, or not the top ones, the big ones. So yeah, it's the making of the file is the hardest part for me. I gotta plan so I get enough panels, and then initially it was hard for me to get the file small enough to upload because they have restrictions on that. But now I got it kind of down to a science, and it's really great. Now I'm gonna be really busy. So those were all both just single yards. This one is a double yard. These are a bunch of small pouches. Whee! So oops, sorry about that. Oh, that's gonna be fun to cut out. Oh my gosh. And one more. So yeah, this is Spoonflower. Not only can you get your own fabric made, they have tons and tons and tons and tons of really great original fabrics that you wouldn't find in like Joann stores, because obviously people design them and then you can sell them if you want. So, you know, lots of cute stuff. So yeah. That's about it for today. I just thought I would share a little bit about this. I meant to do it before, like 100 years ago, but you know how that goes. Hope you're all well. Thanks for watching. Just a disclaimer, I did not get paid to do this video. Spoonflower doesn't even know about it. I just use them and thought I would show you. Also, check out this great quality, fantastic YouTube channel, podcast thing. This is my son's channel, and if you're into video games of any type, definitely check it out. I'll put a link below.